more scalable. Gemini forever fly high. Gemini LLM, Gemini 1.5. Gemini Flash, Gemini on the ride. Gemini Flash. The empire is growing. Software engineers showing. Introductions are made. Teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend community power. As tech friend community grows, our code grows stronger. It is more optimized. It is more scalable. As tech friend community grows. Our code grows stronger. It is more optimized. It is more scalable. Gemini forever fly high. Gemini 1.5. Gemini Flash, Gemini on the ride. Gemini Flash. The empire is growing. Shelfware engineers showing. Introductions are made. Teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend.
Yo, guys, I made so many songs.
Tech friend community grows.
Is it chat? Are we chatting? Is it chatting? I don't think it is. Oh, look at it. Yeah, it's not chatting. Oh, here we go. Botrix finally joined. Okay. Is the stream ending? No, it's starting. Slowly. What are we doing? We're working on Gemini, Clickless Cage. Oh shit. Alright, I'll love it. Yo, cannabis, what's up? Hold on. We'll fix it. Oh, look, it's here. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Empire's growing. Thanks to everyone who joined my Discord. Because we hit over, hold on. Let's turn this down. Does that turn it down? Yeah, it does. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, we hit how many members? Does it say? It says on mobile. Anyway, it's over 1,000. We got so many new members, which is awesome. Why can't it tell me? 868. Oh no. No, it's definitely more than that. Because look, I got the join leave vlog. And the last person to join was 1,136. I guess people have left. I'm definitely sure there's more than 800. Yeah. So, sorry about that clap. I will be pretty much focused around the Gemini challenge. That's what like most people have come for. So there's a lot of messages that went through in this chat and people were probably overwhelmed. So I'm gonna try see if I can summarize it as best as I can, obviously with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, let's do this. Before we do that, listen to this song.
Friend community grows. A crew grows stronger. It's more optimized.
I'm gonna, yeah, just start copying shit into ChatGPT and putting it on a Notion. Octavian, hello. Oh shit. Wait, how do we turn this into a page? There we go. Alright. Thanks for the subs. I don't think that was live though. You made something for Gemini? Yes, Reza. I made a whole challenge. I'm gonna probably be doing my own project, but there's so many projects going on. Let's see if we can just copy this. In ChatGPT. Actually, should we? Make dot point take away of all ideas discussed here.
It is more optimized. It is more scalable. Gemini forever fly high. Gemini LLM Gemini 1.5.
Can we make like a collapsible thing?
Gemini Flash.
Does that work?
Gemini on the
Toggle this, yeah, toggle this.
empire is growing. Software engineers showing. Introductions are made. Teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe.
Okay.
Tech friend community.
Yo, Adarsh, what's up? Am I in Thailand? Yes. It's awesome here, man. I love it. Alright,
As tech friend community grows.
here we go.
Our goal
Let's see, I think I can just copy this whole thing
is more optimized.
in a new,
It is more scalable.
like, make
Tech friend
dot
community
point
grows.
extract single sentence dot points, including the member who wrote the message. Does it include time? And at what time?
It is more scalable.
Given the following chat log.
Forever fly high. Gemini,
Boom.
Gemini 1.5.
Let's see if we get that electric DeLorean. Yes, let's get it.
Flash. Gemini on the ride. Gemini Flash. The empire is growing. Software engineers showing.
Wait.
Introductions are made.
Okay, it did the name thing well. But we edit this. We edit this tracker. Extract 2% of them, including the member who wrote it, the message, and its dot points of people and their project ideas. Oh, that didn't save. Extract single sentence dot points of people and their project ideas, I guess. Project ideas. Including the member who wrote the message in the time. Yes. How do I submit this? I need to have it. Yeah. That's fine. Oh, perfect. Take friend. No. This is the wrong user. There's definitely a lot more. Okay, that didn't work. Extract all. Whoa. I don't like this one. Oh, these ones are so intense.
Young engineer writing code, did you like that? Full stack apps writing node, did you like that? Writing for loops while
Yo, Dutch, I'm just summarizing the Gemini. Alright, we'll just stop the music for now. Summarizing the Discord. I made this new channel yesterday, Gemini challenge, and we had a whole bunch of new members who were trying to make a team and like make a project for Gemini. So, okay. I don't think this worked perfectly, but it's whatever. It's a good start. I'll manually fix the rest. First ideas thread. Here we go. Heading 2, community projects. Okay. We'll probably remove the timestamp. Oh, that's so much effort. I'm gonna get GPT to do it. Remove the timestamp and only have the username on the same line. If you win, throw some huge party and invite all the subscribers. That'd be sick, but it'd be so hard because everyone's in different countries. And I can't fly everyone out. I mean, I could fly a limited amount of people out. That would be pretty boss. I reckon we could use the money in better ways though. Okay, sweet. Alright, who made the ticketing? Ticketing here. This guy. Why am I in streaming mode? Optimus G. Clueless Cage, that's me. CRM Builder. How about we just start? I'm pretty sure this guy was first. Oh, we can also have H2 people looking for teams. Now extract all the people who introduce themselves and said, yeah, in the same format, let's say. Bro, if I don't run out of battery, that would be shit. I think it should be fine. Oh, this is really good. Let's see if this is right. Do we have Shikan? Yes. All right. Excellent. Nice. We have 11 people that are looking to join a team, and we have about 10 teams or something. All right. I'm not going to bother proof checking this, so I'll send the link on the Discord, and if anyone notices something wrong, please at me. Here is the summary for this channel, including including projects and people who showed interest. Reply to this thread if you want to add, remove, edit something on it. Hello. Summary, etc. Hello. Okay. What are you guys saying? You're on TV. Faded, let's go. Do I know G4F? No, I haven't looked into this proxy stuff. What is it? Let's have a quick look. Proof of concept. Just tell me what it does. Official various collection of large language models. No, I'll look into this later. I haven't seen that before. Okay. Yes, we got more people. Thor and Aditya, welcome. Alright, that's the summary. I recommend... Oh shit, I didn't link the summary. And I'll pin this. This is good shit. I could also just paste it for extra convenience. For extra convenience, I'm gonna paste this in the chat. Oh, we didn't get someone's name properly because I probably didn't disable. Oh, whatever. I'm not actually gonna do this. I'll remove that actually. Also, I feel like I got some of these usernames wrong. So might be some wrong names, etc. I used GPT to create it. Please message your change request. Can I open it up for a change? I don't think I can. Like, so anyone can change it? Invite only, publish, allow editing. Oh, I can. Okay. Opened up for editing. So you don't need to message me. Okay. Sweet. Flashy, did you send your song through, by the way? Okay. Sweet. That was the first thing that I wanted to do. Did it just start? Yeah, pretty much. We just summarized Discord in this document here. So that's a check. Now what I wanted to do next is to find a use case for Clickerless Cage, so we can focus on that. And then I think that'll help me decide more tasks to do. Yeah. Should we get started? I think so. How's the everything looking? Oh yes, I forget to make these like that. I should is there a way to keep a window on top on Mac? Let me quickly see if I can figure this out. I'm using rectangle window manager. Doesn't look like it. Let me Google or ChatGPT. How can I keep a window on top using Mac? I also use rectangle window manager. What did Bruce Strike say? You use a third-party app. No rectangle can provide this natively. That sucks ass, dude. Wait, did Reza say something about a Chrome extension? Damn it. Kinda sucks. Hold on. I have to figure out my windows off screen so I can read chat and everything. Okay. Wait a sec. Almost there. Yes. Okay. Good enough. Good enough. All right. Okay, so let's do the second thing. Forgot what it was already. Oh yeah, use Beam to find the best use case. Let's do that. Pulse plus 0, thank you for the subscription. Let's go. Tech friend community grows. Launch. We need API keys. How about let's create a Gemini API key. How do we get on? Settings. Nope. Might have to go to aistudio.google.com. Let's see, they have add Gemini. Yes. Get API key. Here we go. Create API key. Oh, you have to pick a project. Very interesting. Can we create a new one? God. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna create in the Vertex hackathon. Whatever. Probably shouldn't show this. Okay. And now we have Gemini on Big-AgI. What is the safety settings? No safety settings. And I'm going to use Gemini, the latest Pro, because even that is on the free tier but limited. So let's use it while we can. We'll keep the output tokens and temperature. What? Can only go to 8,000 output tokens? I shouldn't need more. 4,000 is fine. Okay, what is this? Mid-size, multimodal, supports up to 1 million. Default. Gemini Flash, Gemini Pro. Yeah, okay. Seems fine. Alright. Plant UML. Let's go blank system prompt. Can we do that? No, we can't. Here we go, blank. Okay. Now to write a badass prompt. How far are we going out here? Should we keep the Discord there? No, we're gonna close the Discord for now. We've already summarized it. Okay. Yo, Joe, what's up? Do I know Suno? What do you mean? Do I know Suno? Like, is it a person? Hold on, let me turn my aircon off. Just go for a generative language client. How do you mean? How do you mean? Okay. I don't know how close. Hold on. I kind of want to check what difference is putting this mic close versus further away makes. Also, how delayed is the stream? I don't know how close. Hold on. I kind of want to check what difference is. Oh, it's fine. It's totally fine. Whoops. Okay. So I gotta write a really badass prompt. What I essentially want to do is see how this clickerless cage, like what's a good use case for clickerless cage, which is a Chrome extension that performs web browsing. Be like, we're gonna use Beam. Beam's right here. And say, come up with 100. Wait, we could probably do heaps. 400 use cases for, no, let's just do 200. 2, 4, 8, no, 500 use cases. So we're gonna create 500 times 4, so 2,000 ideas, and then find the best idea by combining them, thanks to the power of Beam. Come up with 500 use cases for my app, my Chrome extension. Let's just say app. You are should we give it a persona? Like, you are who would be the best at deciding this? Whatever. Let's just do blank. See what this comes up with, and then we can change based on what kind of answers we're getting. We're gonna add 4 of these and start it. And when we get the answers, I'm gonna say, given these rules, determine like the best 5 or some shit. So hold on. Where are the rules? Here. Judging criteria. Text to speech, convert website, text to speech and speech to text, language, translation, cognitive. Okay, so we have, there's definitely not 200. Oh, actually there's sub. Okay, let's try fuse them or guided. No, fuse. With a custom prompt. Yeah, custom fusion. Based on the end alternatives provided, determine the top 10 ideas given the following judging guide. And we'll give it the judging guide. And let's see what happens. Hopefully I haven't hit the limit. Yo, I see through, man. I've been enjoying your TikTok content. Why do I use Big-AgI to access Gemini when there's already one available from Google? Well, this has this Beam feature that I'm using, which I don't think Google has. So being able to have 4 separate versions of Gemini and come up with 500 ideas each, and then combine all 2,000 ideas into the top 10 given this judging criteria. This is something that you can't really do on many other, if any, chat LLMs. Well, not as easy. Like, this user experience is so nice. So this didn't really give me, the ideas. Based on them, determine the top 10 ideas. It is impossible to score specific ideas because the responses offered categories. Okay, so I think we need to fix the initial prompt here. How do we do that? Here, double click, hello, test. Okay, sweet. Give exact specific use cases. Do not just give categories. It should be something where users currently manually interact with the web sites. I think I also want to give it also consider the following judging criteria. Why not? Okay. Can we save that? Does that save? Yes. And then if I restart this, yeah, okay, that's way better. Alright, we're gonna restart everything. We're actually getting like really specific use cases now, which is really good. Since I changed that prompt to ask for specific use cases, much better. Find the cheapest flight on any airline, automatically apply coupon codes. These are pretty good. And we'll get the top 10 after it finishes. It's still going. What are we saying? Yo, Lowman, what's up? Code Nilote. What's the best LLM to use to write a thesis? Something with a large context that can generate like 10,000 words. Most of the big ones can do it. I think Claude would probably be the best for writing like a human. But you can try GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5. They're like the big three. Okay, we're still going. We're actually writing 500. Does it go to 500? No, they only 20. Gets lazy. They only do 20. This one's actually done. How much has it done? This one did 100. This one's going till, it's still going. Pretty good. How can I turn off the Discord notification sound? Oh, is that what streamer mode does? Streamer mode. Enable. I think that does that. Dude, this might actually do 500. That's crazy. This is real vague now, though. We can stop this. Did it stop? I think so. All right, let's combine them with the same message. Dude, yeah. 15 requests per minute I think is actually pretty good. And I think you get even more if you use Flash, right? Can you review the model autocoder? There's a model called autocoder. Is there a reason why it's good? I can maybe do it if I have time, but right now the focus is on this. It's impossible to determine the top 10. I can highlight 10 promising use cases that have a higher potential. E-commerce. Booking a complete vacation based on preference and budget. Finding the cheapest flights with specific layover. Automatically filling out forms. I think this one is actually a pretty good one. Like you can like upload your personal information or just have it locally. This can all probably work locally as well. And then have it fill out different forms for you. Like you could say, go apply for this visa for me or book me this hotel, and it can do it. So I think that one is one that I like. I'm gonna put some of my favorites here. Generate passwords, no, not that one. Scheduling and posting content at optimal time. So that involves, scheduling kind of involves like a server or a computer to be running. So, because mine's a Chrome extension, it stops running when you close Chrome, so it would involve you leaving Chrome open. Unless we do everything on the server and you just interact with Chrome extension, which is not really what I want to do. All these like find and book things kind of fit under this automatically filling out online forms category. Okay. Let's finish up with just normal ChatGPT. Actually, let's do it on Big-AgI so we can have our own system prompt. Be like, you are an expert hackathon winner, entrepreneur, and tech sales expert, multi-exit software startup professional veteran. Okay. Oh shit, I added that to dictionary. I think it's veteran. Okay, whatever. Let's see if we can like drill down this use case any further. I'm building a Chrome extension that automatically navigates websites for you. I have the focus of automatically filling out online forms of personal information. High on usefulness and time saving. Remarkability depends on security consideration. Let's forget about security for now. That pretty much okay. I want to ask like what I can demo. Copy. Information. Provide 20 specific forms and navigations that would perform well in a pitch demo given the following judging criteria. Okay. Should we beam again? Why not? It's like the power of 4 brains. Online shopping, travel booking, food delivery. Alright, now I'm going to use guided to get... I think guided will give me a list of all the unique options. I need some background music. Alright.
Dark posing, night sky, synthetic rhythms. I'll never shy. Deep learning algorithms taking flight. Matter whispers melodies of the night. Your network center twine with grace binary notes flowing through.
Pretty intense for background music. These aren't specific demos. I'm gonna have to rewrite this. Provide 20 specific forms, including website name that would score well? Alright, let's see if that makes any difference.
Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech friendly. Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech friendly.
Did that redo it?
JavaScript, TypeScript, Next and React. Python, Django, Flask, it's a wrap. C,
Bro, they're not specifying which.
Rust. Hold on, go ahead if you must. Just let the algorithms guide you.
Delivery, travel booking, electric vehicle review. I feel like government forms is pretty good. Oh, imagine if we could do my taxes. We need something specific. We should start small.
Just let the algorithms guide you. The community is behind you. Tech Friend Street. Just let the algorithms guide
think-
you. The community is behind you. Tech Friend Street. JavaScript,
I think I'm gonna pick.
Next and React. Python, Django, Flask, it's a wrap. C++, Lua, and Rust.
I'm gonna pick some and get it to. Actually, we'll try this again. It's like government sites or like just ordering food. This checklist doesn't work. Disability benefits application. Job application. I feel like this is a good one to demo, especially if it's across different providers. But what's the easiest one? I think like online ordering would be easy. Oh, Tinder. Imagine if we used like that's actually a kind of a funny one, a Tinder one. Imagine if we use Vision and we say like go to Tinder, only swipe on people who are like XYZ criteria and reply to everyone. I don't know, I feel like that'll piss people off. Oh, event registration? That'd be pretty cool. Fuck, I think I just need to pick something. Website contact forms. I think the easiest one is creating an event in your calendar, dude. I think this is step 2. Like personal information, that's harder. Like the first step is create Google Calendar event, and that was something that I try to focus on first as well. We don't really need anything else for that. For this, we need so much more. For like this, we can already start working on that. Okay, I think that's gonna be my focus. Create issues. So I already have some. Shout out to here we go. Faded for putting their hand up to work on Clickless Cage. Now I said I wanted to provide an LLM extractor so we can use Gemini, OpenAI, and Claude. But I'm thinking I might just go ahead and change main to use Gemini with their own SDK. So let's have a look. Assuming they have a SDK. Google Gemini. Model, Gen AI, get generative model, Gemini Flash, prompt. Wait, they don't even provide an API key? Is this legit by Google? Must be. Developer, yep, this is by Google. When ideas are lacking, need the threat, just let the algorithm guide you. Okay, I think we're gonna spend 20 minutes to implement Gemini AI with, does it work on, yeah, web. With this. This is a shit tutorial. What about like npm install? npm install Google Generative AI. Oh, we can do it straight from their ESM. That's pretty sick. Okay, let's do that. Coding time, guys. Let's see, I don't think I've made any changes since last time. Yeah, no point checking. Let's open up utils. This is where I make the OpenAI calls. Right now it's on OpenAI. We're going to be using Google Generative AI. And it's going to look like this. Google Generative AI. How do we, but that's different to this. Google Generative AI. Do we get a thing? Oh, here. Them guys you don't forget. Model, generative model. Can we do like that? Probably should do the I'm going to do the npm install. That way we get the completion, I hope. Or web projects, yeah. Wait, are we in the right directory? We are not. Oh. Okay. And then I hope we can just do this. Wait, it doesn't even import it though. Gen AI. Dude, this is so silly. Google Gemini JS. What about their own here? Their own API. Oh shit, the chat? What did you guys say? Does Clickless have triggers? No, it doesn't. It used to. It used to like trigger some code when the DOM changes. But I removed that. SDK, what about JavaScript? Bruh. No. Alright, we're gonna have to use this shitty documentation. Oh, you do need an API key? Bro, what the frick? Samples.web. Alright, let's have a look. Samples, web, Oh, they have a utils file as well. Google Generative AI. Gen AI equals new Google Generative AI API key. Huh. Fetch API key. Fuck, dude. Whatever, man. Let's see if I can do this. And then const equals new Google Generative AI. Hey, okay. And then I think I'm just gonna go import .meta.env Google API or Gemini API key. Okay. I think that'll work. You sent the song? Alright, let's listen to Flash Webby's song. For tech friend, smiley face. Nice. Click OS cage. Damn.
In a room with screens aglow, there's a story to be told of a coder named Ted Friend with a vision bold. He crafted Click OS Cage, a marvel of our age.
Marvel of our age.
It's
Nice.
the latest tech stage. Click OS Cage, brilliant and wise, a web extension wondrous, lighting up the skies. In the hackathon race, with dreams soaring high, we wish for tech friends victory, reaching for the sky. Late nights coding fast, with coffee by his side, debugging and refining, with passion as his guide. His fingers flew like lightning on keys that softly sang his creation. Click OS Cage to the forefront, explain. Click OS Cage, brilliant and wise, a web extension wondrous, lighting up the sky. In the heat of competition,
how does this work?
stands tall, wishing he'll emerge victorious. The coder
Model
of them
generate
all,
content.
so here's to the genius, the coder of
Prompt image.
Click OS Cage, web wonders never end.
So they don't separate. Oh, this is annoying.
Wonders never end.
Okay, so it looks like they just send a prompt as a single text string to Gemini. Whereas with ChatGPT, I'm kind of sending an array of messages, including a system prompt. So it's a bit annoying. Flash Webby, I'm trying to change the code to use Gemini straight up instead of OpenAI, but it's just too much code I need to change. I think I'd rather use the thing I was originally going to do with, what was it called? This one. Gateway. The issue with Gateway though is for developers, they're going to have to probably get a URL or something. So I might have to make a tutorial for that and we can learn together. Yo, console log. What are we building? This is Clickerless Cage is my Chrome extension that helps web browse. You can check it out, AJ47 Clickerless Cage. And it uses LLMs. I've built it to originally use OpenAI, but now we're entering this Gemini competition and I want to make it use Gemini. New haircut? Yeah, it is. It is a new haircut. So I'm gonna do that. I might take a little break and come back and do it. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'll assign this to me. And this seems like the most important thing we have to do pretty much for the Gemini hackathon. Where's the stream schedule? Pretty much this is the focus now. And this is what I'm going to be working on after the break. Oh no, not this. This actually I determined I'm not going to do this. How do we get the... I've forgotten how to get the... How do I get the emoji board on Mac? Control Command Space. Control Command Space. Didn't work. Oh, there we go. X. Use gateway to enable Gemini with clickless cage. Okay, this is what I'm on. We're gonna take a quick break, maybe like 5-10 minutes, maybe 15. And then I'm gonna do this. Use gateway to enable Gemini with clickless cage. I'll do it in a tutorial format so people can do it themselves as well. I mean, it'd be pretty easy. Give your code to AI to make it better. Yeah, I think I did it a little bit before. Why your comment is not in TechFriend? What comment? Glow button? What are you guys on about? I'm confused. But yeah, we're gonna do that after a break, commercial break, but there's no commercials. Intermission, I believe. Yes. Intermission, interesting. Interesting. Let's see. Can I make this bigger? No. It's all right. Hold up. What? Oh. Bro, this is literally wrong. What the hell? So dumb. What the hell? Alright, let's do this. All right. I also had some takes. Oh, actually, we'll do a countdown. There we go. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 seconds. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'll be back. Copyright free countdown. This will work. Try it.
When the weekend's here and you're feeling kinda low, bored and restless, don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place. You're missing out on all the latest trends, but AI When the weekend's here and you're feeling kinda low, bored and restless, don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place. You're missing out on all the latest trends, but AI has got your back, it's your tech friend. When ideas are lacking, it's no need to fret, just let the algorithms guide you. Don't forget, hey, hi, ho,
Oh my god, Flashy, thank you. Holy shit. Sorry, okay. Let me go back from the start. Man, damn. That took me ages to realize we had no sound. Thank you, Flashy. If you didn't say anything, I would have done that whole stream on mute. So, let's go back. AI Gateway is what I am implementing now. I'm implementing this thing called AI Gateway. Just by adding one block of code to my existing code, which uses the OpenAI SDK, we can extend that to not only just use the OpenAI SDK, but also use Anthropic, Google, Gemini, Mistral, whatever, right? And it has also some great additional features, such as the ability to have fallback. So if one endpoint fails, it'll fall back to a different LLM provider. Load balancing, managing different automatic retries, and just so many cool features. I think there's even more that aren't listed here. Automatic retries is cool. This is like, I literally had manually hard coded the retry code. Check this out. Where is it? Yeah, see? OpenAI call with retry. I literally manually had a retry function coded because OpenAI was so unreliable. Sometimes the same code would fail and sometimes that same code would succeed. Same request. Sometimes that same request to the same API call would fail randomly, but then if you tried 3 times, it would usually work once out of those 3 times. But now that I don't even have to do this because the gateway will have an automatic retry of up to 5 times. So that's really cool. So it's really easy to install as well. If you want to run it locally, it's literally one command, npx port AI gateway, and that runs it on localhost. And yeah, so now I'm just going through and doing all the code changes so it works. So we have to import their port key. This is just an image though, so we're going to go to the copyable code, which is right here. Do they have a Gemini example? Let's see. They have individual docs for each thing, I think. Node.js. Oh, what about? What is this running on? Is this Node.js? Not really. It's low key, not Node.js. I hope it works with Web.js. It should. Let's have a look at their import. Let's try it this way. Import this. Okay, straight away it's complaining. Doesn't like from. Looks like we are doing it the other way. From port key. Okay, doesn't like that either because we haven't installed this locally. Do we need an API key if we have a local? Not needed when running locally. Okay, good. No, actually, wait. Create headers. Oh, where is that? Create headers. Doesn't even use that. Maybe we don't even need this. Let's see. Can we just add the base URL of, what was the one running? 8787. And base URL provider. Okay, here provider. Let me make another version of this. Oh shit. Actually, how do we duplicate a thread? What is this? An iPhone has access to your iMessage. I think that makes sense. Still a bit sus. Like I did activate an iPhone recently, but not like right then. I mean, I don't even really use iMessage. Okay, where's the Google one? Google Gemini 1.4. Okay, let's try that. What was the model provider? Wait, what? Default headers, create headers. Oh, we need that create headers method. How do I not see that here? Oh, it's right here. Whoops. Okay. So I guess we'll yarn add port key. Port key AI. npm install port key AI. Was that you, the new login? I'm not sure. I just kind of dismissed it. I'll look into it later. It is Sase. I was like, what is that? Someone hacked me, dude. Could happen. I mean, I'm doxing literally everything, so I wouldn't be surprised. We'll worry about that when it becomes more serious. Okay, we got port key. Oh, this looks like a good local one. Looks a bit more like the import I need. Provider? Wait, what was it? Default headers. Default headers. Create headers. Provider. Google. Okay. And then model. Oh, we're using different models here. Do we have a global model? Const model equals Gemini 1.5 latest. Is that what it was? Was it Gemini? Yeah. Let's see. Gemini 1.5 Pro latest. Okay, and let's go every time model is mentioned. We're gonna be like model instead. Model E. Boom. Ah, shit. No, shit. Wait. Does that work? Okay. No. Yes. Okay. No, we missed one. Oh, we missed another one. Yes, okay. It's Pro? Yeah, I did that right. Gemini 1.5 Pro, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. API key. Not needed. No, wait. I think we do need it, right? Let's try not include it. Let's see what happens. It probably won't work. Ciao, thanks for the follow. But you're a spam bot, so no thank you. Hostile says, no, sorry to go off topic. Do you know any projects that use local LLM and support internet access? Yeah? Big-AgI, open interpreter. Depends what you're trying to do. You mean project for the Gemini comp or just projects in general? Okay, I have a feeling this won't work. Let's see what happens. Is it even running? It's not even running. Let's run that thing. Let's load it up. Is it not running yet? It's running. Guess we just wait. Oh. Things refreshing. Do we get legitimate errors? I don't know. Oh, OpenAI API key environment variable is missing. It's funny, that's the exact same. No, I shouldn't let me remove and re-add it. Like, I commented it out, so I don't think we should be getting that error anymore. We're about to find out. Manifest file is missing. What? I don't know about that. I'll fire up fork to see what I broke. Okay, remove that. No, it should be fine. Wait, what? There's definitely more changes than that. Oh no, okay, here's my changes. API key commented out. Yep, that looks good to me. Can't load it. Very interesting. Could not load manifest. That's not good. Let's look at the files. Is there not a manifest? There's a manifest. Yo, Fear. What's up, man? What the freak? I have no idea why. Retry. What if I click this link? Do we get any different errors? Oh my god. Can't even click properly. Nope, no errors. 404 on web data. Wait, did I click the build? Oh, I didn't click the build folder. Silly me. Okay, it's not loading still. But we probably get that error now about the OpenAI. Okay, cool. Cool. It's missing. Oh shit, so we have to provide something. We have to provide something. I guess we could use this. So I don't know if I should have used, let's see if it's what happens here. Do we get an error from Gemini or no errors? Okay, there we go. 404 status in body. OpenAI.js. Is that because it's not hitting the... Oh, what the hell? There's two. Okay, yeah, there's actually two things running there. Okay, no, this is... Yeah, gateway says hey. It's 404ing though, for some reason. Maybe we can figure it out. Maybe we can't. Oh. I feel like something messed up there. Okay. What? Oh, new errors? No. Okay. Good. Go to Google. .404 in utils.js line 80. OpenAI call. Okay. So we're having some issues with the call here. Let me just double check the example from Gateway's GitHub that I was copying. Looks like I navigated away. Now here it is. Messages row, max tokens. Okay, that looks good. Base URL, oh, /v1. I had a feeling that was it. I didn't put the v1 here. Let's try that again. What's the plan for the stream apart from continuing to develop clicklist cage? That's pretty much it from here on out. I did a bit of summarization for the Discord and I posted that on the channel to help everyone else like find teams and stuff, because it looked like the people were struggling to connect. So I did a bit of help there. But yeah, for the rest of this stream, I'm just going to try implement Gateway to click a list cage. API key is not valid. Cool. Okay. Let's try my actual Gemini API key. Where did I put that? Can't remember. I think I just created it but didn't put it anywhere. Google Studio. Google Studio. What was it? AI Studio.google. Just gonna get a new Gemini API key. Or can I look at this one? Oh, I can. Alright, well, that's my API key. I've already doxed it, so there's no point hiding it now. And we'll go and env template, and I'll make a Gemini API key equals your key here. And then I'll also open .env on another screen. Oh, good. Okay. Let's see if that works now. Go to LinkedIn. Nope. Oh, I didn't set it. Projects, utils. Oh. Is that what I put? Yes. Okay. Let's try now. Did I break something? Looks like I did. I wonder what. Vite. I think I need to include Vite or Vite. Come on. What's the issue now? Nothing. Hey, Luna. Hey, Luna, what's up? Looks like I didn't properly restart the server. And this time, error or something? Yeah, what's the error? Bazooka, yo. Oh, and whoever followed just now, sorry, I missed it. Send something in the chat so I know who it was. Bro, what was I doing? Yes, debugging. Why this? Why error? Why? What did I break this time, dude? It was working a second ago. Oh shit. That thing is so loud. But yes, thank you for the sub, Midori. Awesome. The rare Luna sub. Shit. Luna. Thank you, Luna. The rare AF Luna sub. Ah, why? Why this extension? Let's remove and re-add it. Hey, that worked. Okay. Let's try add the API key again. Refresh. No, that breaks it. Okay, at least we know. Gemini API key. Why does that break it? Gemini API key looks fine to me. I have no idea why that breaks it. Do we get errors? Oh, we do. OpenAI API key. Oh, no. Huh. Gemini API. Oh, we have to. Fuck. I figured out the issue. We have to put V at the start. Okay, I fixed it. Let's go back. Mouse. And work? Nope. And refresh. And now work? Yes. Go to LinkedIn. Come on. Come on. We probably use Flash. Yes! We did it. It uses Gemini now. Excellent. Excellent, 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 excellent. I think I'm going to use Flash instead of Pro, just so we get more uses. And I don't think it needs to be that smart. Gemini 1.5, what the hell? Gemini 1.5 latest. Okay, let's go Flash latest. I think it's just the same thing, but Flash instead of Pro. Yeah, that's pretty simple. That was so easy. I'll give a rundown of what I did right after I changed it from Pro to Flash. Pro, I only need to change it in one place because of my nice little variable here. There we go, Flash. And let's make sure the README is up to scratch. Yeah. Check. Replace your open AI. This will be Gemini. Excellent. Perfect. Let's add those changes. That was DS store. I don't think we need that. Clickless cage now uses Gemini Flash. Excellent. Boom. They're both 15 uses a minute? No. I thought with Flash you had more. No, you definitely have more Flash, dude. Gemini API pricing. See, look, Gemini 1.5 Flash, 15 requests a minute. Gemini 1.5 Pro, 2 requests a minute. Definitely get more with Flash. Am I switching the API only to Gemini? Yes. Is there still an option to use OpenAI? Yes. Great question. So let me give you a whole rundown of what I did. I wanted to extend Clickless Cage so it's able to use any LLM provider really easily, just with like switching a couple of text boxes. And thanks to Portkey AI, they have an AI gateway. Their AI gateway lets you only add one block of code and be able to use any model. So you can see here Bedrock, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Mistral AI, all using the same original OpenAI SDK, which is what I was using. This has pretty much become the standard now. And we just change the model name and the provider name, and we can use any model. And they also provide a bunch of other features like load balancing, fallbacks, automatic retries, and more. I had previously my own automatic retry code. See here, I just realized this is, fuck, I'm gonna have to do that again. I'm gonna do that whole speech again because I want to make a TikTok out of it. And I don't want shit to be behind me. I want there to be a green screen. Okay. Pro 1.0, okay. Pro 1.5 isn't fully out yet. What do you mean? We literally just used Pro 1.5 latest API. What's this called that uses auto retries? Yeah, I'm just about to explain it again so I can make a TikTok. Say hi to YouTube, except it's TikTok. Say hi to TikTok in the chat, and Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Okay, so pretty much I have this Chrome extension I'm building, clickerless cage. You just type what you want to do. So add event to Google Calendar. This is the use case I'm going to focus on for the first demo. Press submit, and it goes to the right website, clicks the right buttons to do whatever you tell it to do. Now, it was previously built using OpenAI, but I want to enter the OpenAI hackathon. So I've extended this to be able to use any LLM provider with just changing one block of code. Just changing one block of code, I can use Google, Gemini, Mistral Medium, Anyscale, Bedrock, OpenAI, Anthropic, Claude, whatever LLM I want. It can be easily changed just with changing the model parameter here, and all the code remains the same because we're still using the OpenAI SDK. The only difference is we're going through this thing called an AI gateway. Thanks to Portkey AI's AI gateway, we only need to add one block of code to change the LLM provider. And not only that, we have all these other features such as load balancing across multiple providers. If one fails, we can balance through another one, send traffic through there, even multiple keys for the same provider. So, getting double the rate limits by balancing between two API keys. Fallbacks and automatic retries. When I was using OpenAI myself, I noticed that sometimes the calls were failing, the exact same API call. So I implemented my own retry script with OpenAI that tries 3 times. If it fails, it just tries again. But thanks to this AI gateway, they've already handled the retries and stuff for me. They have a bunch of other features as well, and it was really easy to set up. You can run it locally, have them host the gateway, or they also offer enterprise, which we won't worry about. But yeah, so I've changed the README to show you how to run it locally. Literally just one command, and you can run the AI gateway locally. It's amazing. We'll figure out how to do this with prod. Probably use their host. I probably won't want to host it myself, but yeah, really awesome. Shout out to Portkey AI. I messed up. I said OpenAI hackathon. Oh, okay. What was that bit? Yes, okay. Let me just repeat that bit. So I wanted to add clickerless cage. Now, how about, let me just show Gemini developer competition. We saw, oh shit, I'm the first one that comes up. Is that real, chat? If you Google Gemini developer competition, am I the first result? That's amazing if I am. Anyway, I wanted to enter the Google Gemini competition. I wanted to enter the Gemini API developer competition. Migrate my code to be able to use Gemini instead of OpenAI, but also keep the possibility to still use OpenAI, Anthropic, and many more LLMs. In the future, we have this other task that we're going to add agent ops or prompt foo or some kind of analytics so we can see which provider provides the best for our use cases. Keep the history of all that and then test different prompts out, test different models out, and see what provides the best experience. Now I'm going to close this ticket off because how do I mention a commit? because we fixed it. It's cool. And soon in the Midori AI subsystem, y'all are on the docs to be added. Sick. I still got to look into that local AI stuff and the subsystem stuff. That's something that I need to research more. Okay. Implemented with this commit. Boom. Excellent. That's the first feature we've done. And shout out to Faded. They are going to work on this. Is this still open? What kind of data storage are you looking for? Oh, Geekmaster wants to work on this too. I'll link you the chat. And how do we link this chat? Dun, 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 dun. Express for copy link. Copy what I said there. I feel like I need to make some more easy tasks. Integrate voice interaction, integrate prompt foo. What else needs to be done? We can have like experiment with system prompting, etc. to get reliable Google Calendar event creation. What label? It's kind of like an enhancement. It's also a good first issue. Let's add description. Feel free to ping me with any questions. Relevant code is in utils.js. Okay. I come up first? Fuck yeah, dude. That's some SEO shit right there. Let's see how many views I got on that stream. It's not a very good stream, unfortunately. 223, that's not even that much. But whatever, you know, not too fast. I don't think it's that good of a stream, so it doesn't matter. Okay. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm pretty happy with how long that took. I kind of expected it to take longer, but really happy with the way Gateway worked. Shout out to Portkey AI Gateway. How do we get the check? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be streaming every day probably, maybe even twice a day sometimes. So I might see you in a few hours, or otherwise I might see you tomorrow. I wish Gateway used the better OpenAI. What's a better OpenAI? Check Discord, someone made voice. Where? Oh, in Clickless Cage? No. Where is voice? Here? Real-time voice assistant. I've made a voice interaction that can reply back to you in less than 1 second and can be disrupted, all in Node.js. Oh shit, okay. Pitbull. Yo, this guy. DevOps enthusiast. Oh, dude, he wants to help? Bro, I need DevOps. No, I need Agent Ops. Real-time voice assistant, built-in Node.js and WebSocket, uses Llama 3 or Gemini models. Okay. This could be cool. Could he implement that? Let's see. Do you want to have a go at implementing it into my project? I don't know if it's possible for him to do that, but I'm gonna link him the issue. Okay. Looks like someone's posting a showcase. Oh, this is the same guy. Cool. 3 to 4 hours? Yeah, potentially. So right now for me it's like 5:30 p.m. I might have another go at streaming at like 8 o'clock. How am I on MacBook and doing a live on TikTok? Great question. So Streamlabs has now enabled you to stream on TikTok. You do have to get approved though. But yeah, I'm using Streamlabs. But yeah, thank you guys so much. We're gonna do an outro with Suno music and AI Galaxy. Alright, or this. No, this is shit. Let's see, AI Trippy. Oh, this one's cool. I've seen this before. I feel like, yeah, I don't know. Peace out. Oh, that's not work.
Tech friends community grows. Our code grows stronger. It's more optimized. It is more scalable. Gemini API forever fly high. Gemini LLM, Gemini 1.5, Gemini Flash, Gemini Arrive, Gemini Flash. The empire is growing, software engineers showing, introductions are made, teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend community power. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend community power.
As tech friend community grows, our code grows stronger. It is more optimized. It is more scalable. Gemini API forever fly high. Gemini LLM, Gemini 1.5, Gemini Flash. Gemini Arrive, Gemini Flash. The empire is growing. Software engineers show, introductions are made, teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend community power.
Our code grows stronger. It is more optimized. It is more scalable. Gemini AP, forever fly high. Gemini LLM, Gemini 1.5. Gemini Flash, Gemini on the ride. Gemini Flash. The empire is growing. Software engineers showing. Introductions are made. Teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend community power. As tech friend community grows, our code grows stronger. It is more optimized. It is more scalable. As tech friend community grows. Our code grows stronger. It is more optimized. It is more scalable. Gemini, forever fly high. Gemini, Gemini 1.5. Gemini Flash, Gemini on the ride. Gemini Flash. The empire is growing. Shelfware engineers showing. Introductions are made. Teams are formed. We will win $1 million. We will win the universe. We are tech friend community power. Tech friend community grows.